Greetings of the day, Chef. I'm Chef Arun, an associate professor with the All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. We continue with our series of culinary terms. Our objective is to stress the importance of culinary terms for budding chefs. In this video, we're going to learn terms of the alphabet F. The first one is facultative. A bacteria can survive and grow in two mediums, that is aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic is when a bacteria can grow in the presence of oxygen, and anaerobic is when a bacteria can grow in the absence of oxygen, which can be related to the term facultative, which means able to live and grow with or without the presence of oxygen, said in the case of bacteria. Farmstead cheese, made entirely with milk from a farmer's own herd or flock and made on the farm where the animals are raised. Farro, a cereal of wheat family, closer resemblance can be found in the emmer wheat variety, also said to be the ancestor of modern wheat. Fermentation, an important process in bread making. A bread with the best external and internal characteristics is majorly dependent on the fermentation process. Yeast is majorly responsible, which consumes sugar available in the dough and gives us carbon dioxide and ethyl alcohol. Carbon dioxide is responsible for the volume and sponginess, whereas ethyl alcohol, though volatile in nature, imparts a good flavor to the product. Fermier, a finished product garnished with carrots, turnip, onions, and celery cut into uniform slices. Fettuccine, a type of pasta which is flat or ribbon shaped, made with egg as one of the ingredients added into it. Fiber, a group of indigestible carbohydrates found in grains, fruits, and vegetables. It is also known as roughage. This can't be broken down by the body. It helps keep the digestive system clean and healthy, easing out the bowel movements. Filet, please check the spellings as double L and as single L. A boneless piece from the tenderloin or a boneless side of fish would be termed as a filet. Flavones. As known to us, there are various color pigments available in fruits and vegetables. The orange color pigment present in carrot is carotenoid. The green color pigment present in leafy vegetables is chlorophyll. The purple color pigment is known as anthocyanin, whereas the white color pigment is known as flavone. Flavor profile. 5 flavor combinations that make a total impression of a product. The 5 flavors are salty or umami, sweet, sour, bitter, and spicy. These, in different combinations or in totality, work to make a taste of a product. Florentine, a dish prepared or garnished with spinach. The word epinard would also be used in the same context. Flow of food. To explain, the flow of food, the entire cycle from purchasing food or placing orders with suppliers, receiving the same as per specification, storing them in their correct temperature zones, processing them, which includes pre-prep, cooking, that would involve heating or cooling, reheating and holding food at correct temperatures for service or dispatch of food. Basically the process involved from purchase to serving would be termed as flow of food. Foie gras. This classic preparation made from the liver of a goose or duck is in a paste form, paired perfectly with a white wine and served with a sweet condiment such as an onion or fig jam. Fondant, a type of flat icing which is smooth, a creamy white icing used for covering of cakes, especially wedding and novelty cakes. Folly, a sauce made by thickening brown stock with cornstarch. Fondue, the famous Swiss preparation, is fondue, a French word meaning melted, is made with melting of two types of cheeses, that is Gruyere and Emmental, to which white wine is added and served in a pot which is kept warm and served with cubes of bread which are dipped, used a fondue fork and enjoyed. The next word is the food danger zone. As chefs, our prime focus is on reducing wastage of food, be it in raw or cooked form. Raw food is taken care by storing at appropriate temperatures, but with cooked food, the risk of food spoilage is on the higher side. To control that, a thumb rule should be followed on storage of cooked food is that the cold food should be stored below 4 degrees Celsius and hot food should be maintained at a temperature above 60 degrees Celsius. To sum up in simple terms, any food should not be stored in a temperature zone of 4 to 60, which is known as the danger zone, where the bacteria grow rapidly. Force meat. It plays a major role in the preparation of many charcutier products such as pâtés, terrines, galantine, ballotine, etc. It is made with grinding meat, adding seasonings, binders, and additives. Depending on the fineness of the force meat, it is further categorized as country style, mousseline, champagne, etc. Forestier, a finished product garnished with mushrooms or champignons. The 4-hour rule. A few terms before, we spoke about the food danger zone. Further on, we speak about the food that is maintained in the danger zone during service or otherwise. A time zone of 4 hours is applied for such food in the danger zone, which includes delivery, preparation, and transportation. The food is considered safer for a period of 4 hours only. French dressing. Dressing is a term used a mixture of oil and vinegar with seasonings added to salad greens to enhance the taste value. The proportion of oil and vinegar for a French dressing is 3 parts of oil to 1 part of vinegar. Frittata, a flat, unfolded Italian omelette. The Italian word roughly translated means fried. French style ice cream. This style of ice cream is made with the use of egg yolk, which makes it a little thicker. Fricassee, a traditional French stew, started with cooking the meats in dry heat and finished with a liaison, giving it the distinctive white color. Frise, a variety of curly endive or chicory that is more tender and lighter in color than the curly endive. Fume, a flavorful fish stock made with fish carcass, bouquet garni, and mirepoix boiled for 20 minutes. With this, we come to the end of technical terms with the alphabet F. Thank you for your patient listening. The reference book for these culinary terms is Professional Cookery, the 6th edition by Wayne Gilson. The images have been collected from Google, Shutterstock, Dreamtime, Urban Epicurus, Encyclopedia Britannica Inc. Thank you for their valuable addition as well. Kindly attempt the quiz mentioned in the description. For any queries and doubts, mail on arunSherkar14@gmail.com. Thank you again for your patient listening.